If you want to change the text background color in Figma, this is the quickest and easiest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to wrap your text in auto layout, add a fill behind it, and customize the background color so your text stands out exactly the way you want. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and select the text box you want to edit. This can be any text layer that you want to give a colored background. Once the text is selected, we need to turn it into something that can hold a background color. That's where auto layout comes in. With the text box selected, press Shift and A on your keyboard. This wraps the text in an auto layout frame. You'll notice Figma now places your text inside a frame instead of leaving it as a plain text layer. This is important because the frame is what allows you to add padding, spacing, and most importantly, a background fill behind the text. Now look over to the right sidebar. This is where Figma keeps most of the design controls you'll need. Find the fill section in the properties panel. If you don't see it right away, make sure the frame created by auto layout is still selected, because the fill options apply to the frame, not just the text itself. Next, click the plus icon next to fill. This adds a new fill layer to the frame, and after that, choose the color you want for the background. You can select a preset color, use the color picker, or enter a hex code if you want a specific brand color or exact shade. As soon as you pick the color, you'll see the background appear behind your text. If the background looks too tight, you can also adjust the padding in auto layout to give the text more breathing room. That makes the background look cleaner and more polished. You can make it look like a label, a highlight, a button, or a callout, depending on the style you need. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've changed the text background color in Figma using auto layout and the files section. This is a really useful trick for UI design, social media graphics, and any layout where you want text to pop. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Figma tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.